Assalamu alaikum students, your English teacher is here with another grammar lesson. Today we are going to learn about adjectives. But first, do you remember noun? Naming words are called nouns. So names of people, places, things and animals are nouns. Now let's move on to adjectives. What is an adjective? An adjective qualifies a noun. It simply means adjective describes a noun. It tells us about a noun. You cannot physically touch an adjective. For example, grandmother is a person, a noun. Good, kind, and funny are adjectives describing granny. House is a place, a noun. Big, comfortable, and red are adjectives describing house, a noun. Fan is a thing, a noun. Purple, small, and electric are adjectives describing a thing, a fan. Adjectives describe colors and shapes. For example, green dinosaur, red apple, round cookie, rectangular books. Green, red, round, and rectangular are adjectives describing noun. Adjectives describe size. It tells us if person is short or tall, and it also tells us if something is small or big. Adjectives also describe how many. Two monkeys, five fingers, six crayons. So number is an adjective. Adjectives describe feeling. They help us to describe our feelings and put them in words. Either we are happy, sad, angry, feeling hot, or cold. Adjectives describe appearances. They help us in writing how someone looks like, either beautiful or ugly, thin or fat. Adjectives describe texture, how something feels like when we touch it. Soft like a pillow, hard such as wooden logs, smooth like a surface of a pen, or rough like a stone. Adjectives also describe smell and taste. Either something is stinky or smells fruity. Something tastes tangy like a lemon or sweet like a candy. Adjectives also describe sounds. Quiet and loud. Both are adjectives. Homework time. Circle the adjectives. We've learned adjectives today. I just want you to read these words and circle the adjectives. One has been done for you. Remember, we cannot physically touch the adjectives. I hope you will be able to do your homework quite comfortably, and once you've completed your homework, email it to me at zarahashmi83 at the rate of gmail.com. That's all for today. Have a fabulous day.